Hello children, let's learn some colors. Green color, forest green color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Parrot green color, parrot green color. Orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for cow. C for cow. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ink. I for ink. J for juice. J for juice. K for kingfisher. K for kingfisher. L for lotus. L for lotus. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nails. N for nails. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. D for tomato. D for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Let's learn some numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 0 10 A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for cow. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ink. J for juice, K for kingfisher, L for lotus, M for monkey, N for nails, O for onion, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for words, X for Xmas tree, Y for yarn, Z for jewel. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.